Hello dear engineers, welcome back to WSCLNIT Technology YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will be just learn about the column layout drawing. That how to read drawing for column for villa or G+10 buildings. So first of all, we have different types of columns here like a C1, C2, C3 and C4. We have four types of columns here in this drawing. And here we have different grades, yani from vertical A, B, C, D, E, F, G to K, and horizontal we have grades which is showing by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. First of all, how you can look at your column here according to grids. Grids you will install according to your plot limits, which I discussed in my previous video, step-by-step villa construction in UAE. I discussed practically in the second video. That how to read grids and how to apply grids on site. So here we have C1 column, which is located on the cross point of A and 8 grid. So here we have the column location, that how you will make layout for this column. So we have grid A, and the center of the grid A and grid 8 horizontal grid, you will take 10 centimeter, yani 0.1 meter or 0.33 inch. You will take from here. It will become the last edge of this column. So here your column location, here also 10 centi. So 10 centi from here, because it's 20 centi the column's cross section. So 10 from here and 10 from this horizontal and 10 from this vertical. This is your yani layout details, that how you will put this column. First you will install your grids, then after that you will take 10 centimeter offset here, 10 centimeter offset here, and also here we will take 10 centi. After that, what is the cross section detail? Maybe it this C1 is 60 centi, so you can come 50 centi from this 8 grids. After that we will come to C2. Here you see this is the grade E. From E it will become on the center, so it's mean 10 centi here, and from this grade it is going from 6 to 7. So 6, from the 6 grades you will take 0.51 meter, yani 51 centimeter. You will make your column layout like that. After that C3, C2 you will locate like that. So this is the layout details for the column. After that we have the structural details, then which type of steel and how the strips details will come for this, ties detail will come for this. For columns, first of all we have C1. For C1 the length is 0.5 meter, 0.51 meter, yani 51 centimeter or 1.67 feet. This is the length. The breadth is 0.2 meter, yani 20 centi, and 0.67 feet its breadth. After that, the steel details for ties. Ties we have 8 mm bar, 6 inch per center to center, yani 8 mm ties we will install 2 piece. And after that, the center to center distance between ties is 6 inch. After that, the last for the main bars, we have 16 mm bar and 8 piece we will put on this column for main bars. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 piece we will put the main bar. Details of C2, same 0.61. Its length is 10 centi more than C1, and 0.2. Here we have the same, but only increment in the main bars. Here we will put the main bar 10 piece, and ties we will put 3 pieces. Okay, after that we have C3 details 0.25 meter yani 25 centi like that, and here 0.34 meter yani 34 centimeter. This is 34. After that the same details 8 mm 6 inch per center to center its ties, and 16 mm main bar 6 piece we will put. After that C4 you will read same like that, you will put the details. Here we have main bars and also center to center for ties, everything same, but here the stirrups 1 2 3 4 stirrups we will install here, 4 stirrups for this column. So this is the column details for the villa and buildings, that how you will read the drawings for column. So thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel for more latest updates.